Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to repost job listings on Upwork. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are just getting started with Upwork and they want to know how to actually go ahead and repost the job listing. Now this video is also going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the way this actually works is that here we are on Upwork, and when we first reach the homepage dashboard, this is what it's going to look like. Okay, this is what your homepage is going to look like. You're going to see your current open job posts. Once you've already posted a job post, you're going to click on these three dots, and then you're going to click on reuse posting. So once you click on reuse posting, you'll see that you can edit the title, the description, and you can go ahead and select the categories, skills, budget, screening questions, and then finalize your job post. Afterwards, you're just going to click on post as standard for free. So there you have it, guys. You've now gone ahead and reposted your job post on Upwork. This will allow it so you're able to actually go ahead and get more candidates. But if you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.